How to earn people's trust. Trust is an essential component of all human relationships, whether personal, professional, or social. Building trust is essential to fostering strong bonds, effective communication, and collaborative environments. In a world where doubts can easily arise, understanding how to earn people's trust is more important than ever. Here are some effective strategies and basic principles for building and nurturing trust in different relationships. 1. Be authentic and transparent. Authenticity is the cornerstone of trust. When you are authentic and honest about your intentions, people are more likely to feel comfortable and safe around you. Here are some ways to demonstrate authenticity. Show your true self. Be open about your beliefs, values, and experiences. People can often sense when someone is not being honest, so it's important to be honest with yourself. Acknowledge your mistakes. No one is perfect, and admitting your mistakes can boost trust. When you admit to a mistake, you show vulnerability and a willingness to learn, which can foster deeper connection. Share your motivations. Communicate clearly about why you do what you do. When people understand your motivations, they're more likely to trust your intentions. 2. Communicate effectively. Communicating effectively is key to building trust. How you express yourself can greatly impact how others perceive you. Here are some tips to boost your communication skills. Listen actively. Trust is built on mutual understanding. Show genuine interest in what others are saying by practicing active listening. This involves not just hearing the words, but also understanding the feelings and perspectives. Nod, maintain eye contact, and offer feedback to demonstrate your engagement. Be clear and concise. Misunderstandings can erode trust. When communicating, strive for clarity and avoid jargon or vague language. Be direct and specific about your thoughts, ideas, and expectations. Use positive language. Your choice of words can impact how your message is received. Use positive language and focus on solutions rather than problems. This approach not only fosters a constructive atmosphere, but also encourages trust. 3. Build consistency. Consistency is a powerful factor in building trust. When people know what to expect from you, they feel more secure in their interactions. To build consistency, keep up on commitments. If you say you're going to do something, make sure you follow through. Consistently following through on your commitments, no matter how small, demonstrates reliability and builds trust in your word. Be predictable in your behavior. While flexibility is important, being predictable in your values and responses can foster trust. People should be able to anticipate how you will react in different situations, which creates a sense of security. Stand by your values. Stay true to your principles, even in difficult circumstances. Demonstrating integrity reinforces your commitment to your values and builds trust. 4. Show empathy and understanding. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When you show empathy, you build emotional connections that foster trust. To show empathy, practice empathy. Be sensitive to others' feelings and experiences. Show that you care about their well-being and are willing to support them during difficult times. Acknowledge emotions. Validate others' feelings, even if you don't completely agree with their perspective. Acknowledging emotions can create a safe space for open dialogue and build trust. Be present. Make a conscious effort to be present in conversations. Put aside distractions, give others your full attention, and show that you value their thoughts and feelings. 5. Be respectful and fair. Respect is essential to building trust. When people feel respected, they are more likely to trust you. Here are some ways to show respect. Valuing different perspectives. Embrace diversity and be open to different opinions and experiences. Valuing others' perspectives fosters a culture of trust and inclusion. Treating everyone equally. Fairness is crucial to building trust. Treat everyone with the same level of respect and consideration. regardless of their status or position. Maintain confidentiality. If someone trusts you, respect their privacy. Keeping sensitive information confidential shows that you respect and value the trust placed in you. 6. Be reliable and accountable. Being reliable means that others can count on you, which is essential for building trust. Accountability also plays a vital role in building trust. To enhance your trustworthiness, be available. Make yourself available to others when they need support or help. Being present during critical moments shows your commitment to the relationship. Accept responsibility. When mistakes happen, take responsibility and address the problem. Avoid blaming others and instead focus on finding solutions and correcting mistakes. Seek feedback. Encourage open communication and feedback from others. Showing that you appreciate their input and are willing to improve builds trust and cooperation. 7. Foster a positive environment. A positive environment encourages trust and open communication. Encourage collaboration. Promote teamwork and collaboration among peers. Working together builds trust as individuals learn to rely on each other. Celebrate accomplishments. Recognize and celebrate the successes of others. Recognizing contributions and accomplishments boosts morale and fosters trust within the group. Cultivate a supportive environment. Create a safe space where individuals feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. A supportive environment encourages open dialogue and fosters trust. Conclusion. Getting people's trust is a multifaceted process that takes time, effort, and a genuine commitment to building relationships. By being authentic, communicating effectively, demonstrating empathy, and consistently respecting others, you can create a solid foundation of trust. Trust is not just given. It is earned through actions and behaviors that reflect your values and intentions. In both personal and professional contexts, fostering trust is essential to creating meaningful connections and collaborative environments. By applying these principles, you can enhance your ability to gain confidence and cultivate lasting relationships that contribute to your success and well-being. If you liked the clip, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button and the bell button to receive all that is new. Thank you.